guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Blanca, and if you're not new, welcome back. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove those annoying plastic stoppers that are in your liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, and even sometimes concealers. Once you are almost done your tube, I'm pretty sure a lot of you are trying to really scoop it out and trying to get the remainder of the product that's in that tube out, and you can't because that stopper is just preventing you. That used to be me, but not anymore. I've been doing this for a couple years now, and the other day I was just thinking, I wonder if other people know about this, if other people do this. And so I thought, maybe I should just make a video about it and let you guys know, just in case you guys don't know about this trick. So that's what this video is going to be about today. So if you want to learn how to remove that annoying stopper from your favorite liquid lipstick, lip glosses, and even concealers, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and like this video if you found it helpful. So if some of you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll just quickly show you. This is my Buxom lip gloss, and inside it contains a small little plastic stopper. But once you've reached the end, as you could see, I'm almost done this, but I could see that there's still a ton in here, but I just can't get it out because of the stopper. So the stopper becomes kind of annoying when you're trying to get to the bottom of it. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove that today. And it's actually very simple, and all you're going to need are 2 items. So you're just going to need some tissue paper and a set of tweezers. I'm just going to take the applicator and put it to the side because I don't need that right now. I'm just going to put one end of the tweezers inside, and you're going to press against the tube and lift at the same time. So I'm pressing forward and lifting at the same time. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm pressing and I'm lifting. And it does take a couple tries sometimes because some of them are in there there we go. And it's out. So as you can see, there's a lot of product even on the stopper, so you can just wipe it on the tube. And this is where the tissue comes in handy. And you're just going to put the stopper in the tissue paper, and you can toss it because you no longer need it anymore. And now you have access to get every bit out. Next up is concealer. So the Wet n Wild concealer also has this stopper. So again, just take the applicator out, put it to the side. I'm going to stick one end in. I'm just going to gently push and press up at the same time. There we go. And it's just so satisfying. All of that would have ended up in the garbage. And now you have access to that whole tube, and you can get every drop out. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something, and you're welcome. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.